How's it going? Paul with Adaptable Survival. And what I wanted to get into a discussion with today is what I carry in my belt pouch kit. So stick with me. So why do I carry a belt pouch kit? Main reasons being, keeps all of my fire kit nice and handy on my belt so I can get to it whenever I need to, so I don't have to go rummage around my backpack to get out the things that I'm going to need. It holds the majority of my fire kit, few redundancies as well. So with this buckle on the front, it helps me secure all of that stuff in this pouch. So as I'm out on a nav course, out for a scout around camp, I have a very small chance of losing anything. So let's hop into the pouch itself and get an idea of what I like to carry in my belt pouch kit. So hopping into the pouch itself, this is a Hidden Woodsman belt pouch. Mel can make some great gear. I will throw a link down below if you are interested in picking up some of his stuff. So what I like to carry in here is just an extra Bic lighter. So I normally do carry one in my pocket. That just gives me a secondary one if I were to lose that first one. Have a backup ferro rod. So this is just a project I put together a few months back. So just put some small Gorilla Tape on there, wax jute twine for a lanyard. So this gives me a backup ferro rod if mine breaks. I lose it out in the field. Then I have an Altoids tin. So this one's got a little bit of surface rust. That ain't gonna hurt nothing. Throw your material in there, throw it in the fire for 10-15 minutes. You'll have some char material at the end. In the next couple of weeks I will make a video going over how to remove this surface rust. Another container I have in here, so it gives me a backup container to make some char material if I happen to lose this one. But in here I just keep a magnifying lens. I think I got this one on eBay for a few bucks. Some chert, the Pathfinder multi-fire tool, so you have a little spot there you can use for doing a bow drill. You can strike this with the chert, throw some sparks onto some char material to get a fire going. Then I just have some emergency tinder stored in the bottom of that. Then I have a little Ziploc bag here with some more emergency tinder, but also carry a backup number 14 sail needle. I do keep one on the back of my sheath tape there, so that's usually my primary one, but just gives me a secondary one if I need it. Have some Yuko stormproof matches. What's nice about these is got some more cotton material in there. These are nice and big, so when you strike these, they just about get any fire going. Put that in water, snow. Just a very versatile tool to keep with you. Then it has that O-ring on there, so when you seal these up, you don't got to worry about any water getting inside. Then finally, I just carry a white bandana. So many uses for this: first aid, clean yourself off at camp. I can cut off a chunk of this to make some char material if I need to. So basically how I'm going to store this is just roll up my cotton bandana, store that at the bottom. Throw this container in there next. Put that Altoids tin on top of that. Stuff that on the back side there. Matches in, ferro rod, and then my lighter. Buckle that back up, throw it on my belt. I'm good to go on scouts or run land nav courses. So typically how I'm going to run my belt pouch is on my left side, since that's my non-dominant hand. I can quickly access something if I need to get a fire going for a training exercise, fire at camp. With that orange lining, it brightens it up, so even in lower light conditions I can still see what I'm reaching for, and I keep all of my fire tools easily accessible in the pouch, so I'm not rummaging around too much to grab out what I need. So this has just been a quick rundown of my belt pouch kit. Now I'm not saying that you have to carry this. This is just another option out there for you to spread out the weight of your kit across your whole body. That's what I try to do with as much of my kit as possible. So whether that's storing stuff in my cargo pockets, on my belt, it helps me take some of the weight out of my pack. So I hope this video has given you some ideas of some kit options you can do for yourself. Like I said, I don't always run this, but usually if I'm at a training course I will, because it gives me all the tools that I'll need right on my belt, so I can get through those quickly and don't have to dig around in my pack. If you got something from this video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. As always guys, this has been Paul with Adaptable Survival. Develop your mind, your body, and your gear.